Exec, AI Roleplays is one of the best AI software that's just been released, and in this video, I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into it. Stick around, because by the end, you'll understand why this tool might just become your new favorite in the world of AI. First, let's talk about what Exec AI Roleplays is all about. It's a groundbreaking tool that lets you simulate real-world scenarios using advanced AI, creating lifelike roleplay situations. Whether you're training employees, testing business strategies, or just trying to get an idea of how certain conversations might unfold, Exec makes it happen. But don't just take my word for it. You can try it completely free by clicking the first link below. Now, the key feature that stands out with Exec AI Roleplays is the level of customization. You can choose specific personalities, industries, and even emotional tones for your AI characters. It's like creating your own digital actor. This means you can simulate everything from customer service calls to boardroom negotiations with remarkable precision. No more generic responses. Everything feels natural and on point for your needs. Another crucial point is the software's ability to adapt. Exec AI Roleplays learns from every interaction, meaning the more you use it, the better it becomes at predicting and responding to your needs. If you're someone who's used AI tools before, you know that continuous learning is a game changer. Exec isn't just a static tool, it gets smarter with time. What really sets Exec apart is its seamless integration into existing workflows. You can integrate it with CRM systems, communication platforms, and even other business tools. If you're managing teams, this can really streamline operations, saving you time while improving the quality of training and simulations. It's a must-have for anyone who relies on real-time feedback and detailed analysis. Of course, Exec AI Roleplays is not just for businesses. Let's not forget the educational aspect of this tool. If you're an individual looking to improve your communication skills or train for a specific scenario, Exec offers a low-risk, high-reward approach to practicing those skills. Whether it's preparing for a high-stakes interview or just enhancing your public speaking abilities, Exec can simulate realistic conversations, giving you the confidence to tackle any situation. You might be wondering about the ease of use because, let's face it, some AI tools can get complicated quickly. Fortunately, Exec is user-friendly with an intuitive interface that even beginners can pick up fast. Everything from setting up your role plays to tracking progress is done with minimal effort, which makes it a great option for anyone who's not necessarily tech-savvy but still wants the benefits of AI. Lastly, Exec offers incredible scalability. Whether you're a small business owner, a coach, or someone managing large teams, the software can scale to meet your needs. It's flexible enough for a one-person operation or complex enough to support an entire enterprise. If you're still on the fence about Exec, remember this. It's available for free from the link below, so you can get a first-hand look at how it works without any risk. Before I wrap up, I just want to remind you that I've spent hours testing thousands of AI tools. I've linked my recommended ones in the description below, so if you're looking for more AI software that can really level up your work, you'll find my top picks there. Don't forget to try Exec for free and explore all the features that make it one of the best AI software solutions available today.